Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Dela, also known as Natural Ghana Girl, and today I'm here in East Legon Hills to show you this 4-bedroom property. Should we just go in and have a look? Let's take a nose. So as you can see, once you come through the front door, you can see there is a massive living space here. I mean, these are good chunky size seats that are in here, and the room doesn't feel like closed in or anything like that. It's definitely very, very open. So if you like the open plan concept, this is the house which could be great for you. All right, now as you can see straight behind me, you obviously see the kitchen straight away, okay? So the kitchen again is very open plan. So if you're over there cooking, you get to see all your guests or your family sitting over there, which is nice, okay? And then we have these 2 bar stools here, so you can sit there and chat and do whatever you need to do, which is really, really nice as well, okay? So I like the fact that you can walk around the island. I remember the name of this now, this time. In the last video, I couldn't remember what this was called. It just kind of escaped me completely. Yes, the kitchen island, okay? So it's quite nice to have that. And then you can see to the side of me here, there's like a storage room. At the moment, it's being used for like, I guess, as like an ironing room or something like that, but you can absolutely use that for whatever you would want to use it for. This is a very nice, decent sized kitchen here, okay? And just to the side of the kitchen over here, this is the dining area. Again, as I said, open plan, so we definitely are able to see the whole view of this whole area, the whole living room space, the kitchen and everything from the dining room, so that's nice. So once you cook, you can just bring the food here, sit down, eat. After that, go relax over there and you all get to see each other, which is beautiful, okay? So over here, you can actually access the outside of the house through this door. So you just open it and you can straight away access that over there. Okay, now, one of the things that I haven't yet shown you guys is there is a downstairs bedroom, okay? Now, downstairs bedroom, some of you may not be keen on a downstairs bedroom, but a downstairs bedroom is always very, very helpful. And the reason for that is if you have someone who maybe perhaps cannot climb the stairs, or for whatever reason, they have a downstairs bedroom here, and so therefore they don't have to think about going upstairs, and they can live comfortably, being able to kind of navigate the downstairs space without having to think about anything else, okay? Okay, so we have a decent sized space, okay? We have fitted wardrobes there. We have 2 sides of windows, so once you open that out, you can definitely get some crosswind going on in there and lots of light to come in once you open up the curtains, okay? We also do have an ensuite bathroom over here, of course. All about accessibility here, right? So having access to the bathroom is really helpful, okay? So we have obviously the shower, and you have your toilet and your vanity and everything else that you need in here, right? So now I think it's time to head upstairs. What do you guys think? Yeah, let's have a nose and see what's happening upstairs, okay? This house has one of my favorite things, which is the windows on the staircase, okay, which just allow lots of light to come in. So we have these 2 massive windows here, which is really, really nice. Open these out, get some light flooding in, which is great for your health if you don't know. Sunlight is absolutely brilliant. We need it, okay? It helps keep us vibrant, okay? So a little tip there for you, okay? But I'm gonna continue all the way up the stairs. As we get to the top here, I'm just gonna show you what happens. So, as we get to the landing space, we have another living room family area type space here, okay? Again, we have the same sofas. I think they're the same or very similar anyway to the ones that were downstairs. So over here, we have this nice big one. Again, these are chunky. I mean, just look, you can see, right? These are chunky sized seats, okay? I mean, just look at this and look at the one here. I mean, this is massive. I'm drowned. So it just gives you an idea of how big the seats are. So the seats are really, really big, and there's still plenty of room to kind of maneuver. You're not like this in the corner. Okay, so it's a nice, decent space here. Again, we have access to the balcony here. We can just go out there. Let me see if I can open this without embarrassing myself. Okay. So there's a nice balcony space here. So we have a table, a chair, so you can sit out there, which is quite nice actually, because you kind of get to overlook the area and be nosy if you like to be nosy, if you're that kind of nosy person. Okay, right. So now let's check out some of the bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms up here, okay? This is one of the bedrooms. Okay, again, similar style to the one that we saw downstairs. So we have our fitted wardrobes there. We have our 2 windows, we have our AC units, and behind this door, we do also have another ensuite bathroom, okay? Now this one has the bathtub, okay? So if you're a bathtub kind of person, this will be the room for you because you could just get to lay in there and be nice and comfortable. Okay. Now, across the way, this, my friends, is what we call a primary bedroom. I'll show you why. Just look at how massive this room is. This is like a 1-bedroom flat in the UK. It is so big. Honestly, this room is so big, you need to know how you're going to decorate it because it is so big. So you may need to get an interior designer for this one to make sure you can get it to flow and feel exactly as you want it to feel. So you can see massive, massive space here. Okay, we have all our wardrobes, our fitted wardrobe here, lots of space there. And so over here is the bathroom. We have our shower, and I thought so. We do actually have a bathtub here as well. So it's kind of like an L-shaped sort of bathroom. So you can choose shower, bath, whichever one it is that you like, okay? And as we continue over here, okay, so we have like a dresser as well. So we actually have a really nice big mirror here, which I like. Hold on a second. Let's just fix the hair a minute. Okay. Right, yes, so we have a nice mirror here, and then we have extra wardrobe space, which is always good. Extra wardrobe space, I mean, hey, who's gonna say no to that, right? Okay, so we do also have over here another outside space. So let's see if I can open this. I'm not very good with opening doors sometimes. Okay, so yes, so again, out here, we have another space out here to do. You can put some seats, some tables, whatever you want to do. Out here, in fact, they've actually put a little cooker thing here with the gas canister. So I guess you could kind of do a little barbecue for one maybe. Just here, you know, enjoy yourself out there. I don't know. But we can definitely do that. Okay, so the other room is actually locked at the moment, so I can't get access to there. But I'm pretty sure it will be similar to the other two that I've shown you, the one downstairs and the one over there. But I mean, all you need to really see is this primary bedroom, right? It is absolutely massive. So now the fun part. I know lots of you want to know how much is this house going for. Now let me just remind you, we are at East Legon Hills, okay? Now this house is in a really, really good location. Just up the street we have Melcom, which is a massive supermarket where you can get all your daily groceries from. Just a short walk, it's not far at all. And then we have lots of great amenities around here as well. So we have lots of schools, we have lots of different things happening here in this location, okay? So the location is brilliant, top notch for that, I can't argue with that, okay? Now this house, I have to remind you, is 4 bedrooms, 1 bedroom downstairs, 3 upstairs, massive primary bedroom. Obviously we have the open plan space here, okay? In fact, let's recap this house right now. This house is going for $255,000, okay? That price is negotiable. So if you are interested in this house, please do send me an email to naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and I'll put you in touch with the relevant people. Now, if you do have a house that you yourself are selling, please send me an email. We can talk. I can do a tour of your house. Alternatively, if you have a great story to tell me about your journey in Ghana, your move to Ghana, again, send me an email. I'm definitely interested in talking to you. naturalghanagirl@gmail.com. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share. Until next time, I am out. Nutitfafa.